guys, how are you? It's Goli. So today we want to see how we can solve a typical problem when we face while we are using Burp Suite. So let's see here, for example, if we want to use Proxy and intercept the request. So usually we will face a TLS warning or error, and then we want to solve it. So let's see in practice what I mean and how we can help it. So here, this is my Firefox, and here I will just use Burp Proxy. I will set up my proxy to use Burp. So I have another video how to set this up, because if you don't have this, so then it takes longer. You should go to setting and set it up, but setting of your Firefox. But here now it's faster and it's handy here. So now I'm using that. So let's say we want to just visit google.com, and now this is the problem. So we usually face this warning, and here it's saying that the Firefox doesn't trust Burp Suite to be able to establish a secure connection. And usually we come here, okay, we go advanced, and then we say, okay, accept the risk and continue. But today, let's solve this forever. So here the solution is that, so you can while your proxy is on, so you can come here and just burp/cert, and when you go to this URL, so you can see the file, and here you will save the file, and after saving file, so you download the file here, and then you will go to settings, so about, and the preferences, so in your setting, and just search it here, certificate, and here you choose view certificates, and here you can see the certificates that are imported, or the certificates that Firefox is using, and here you choose import, and then you can see here this file. So I have two of them because I download twice, so it doesn't matter which one here. So I choose this, and then I choose the first one, trust this CA to identify website. So CA is standing for certificate authority. So I choose the first one, and then I click OK, and then OK. And now, so now on, Firefox will let us to establish a connection, and we won't see this problem anymore. So let's see google.com, and now you can see we went to Google. So you see, we could solve this problem, because sometimes it's really annoying. And now the thing is that I didn't activate the intercept here. So if I make it on, and now I will have the request here. But yeah, so sometimes it's really annoying when you are doing something, and every request, for establishing a new session, so Firefox will show you that warning or error. So I hope it helps you, and yeah, that's it for today. So have fun and see you.